afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Have you completed yesterday's homework? What we have learned yesterday? Which lesson we were learning? Do you remember that? Yes. Okay, adjective. Adjective means what? Describing words. Adjective means what? Describing words. Okay, good, good, good. Yes, yesterday's lesson was little incomplete, right? So today we'll complete that. Same revision. Today we are going to continue. You need workbook, notebook, and pencil. Notebook, pencil, and grammar workbook. Isn't it? Do you remember up to where we come yesterday? What was the last question I asked? Anybody remember that? 3.2, right? What do you know that question sentence? Which sentence we were doing? Right then, right? What was that sentence? Exercise, right? Correct. But which sentence? See, one exercise we were 3.2 we were doing. And then time was over. And then I said tomorrow we'll continue. What was the last sentence? Do you remember that sentence? Write that sentence. Here it is. Same 3.2. What was the last sentence we did yesterday? Do you remember? Naitik got a pretty doll on his birthday. Okay. That was the sentence where we stopped yesterday's session. Very good, students. Very good. Okay. Today we'll continue. Okay. After that we'll start. Continue. So everybody is ready, I think. Yes, no? Good. Naitik got a pretty doll on his birthday. Okay. Naitik got pretty doll on his birthday. Okay. And what is the question here? Underline all the nouns and circle any adjective or quality that describe the noun. This is the question, right? Okay, once again I read the question, right? So here you have to underline the nouns. First you have to underline the nouns. Now Naitik got a pretty doll on his birthday. What is your noun? Noun, noun. First tell me noun. Doll. Very good, Piyush. Doll is a noun. Very good. So that word you have to underline, right? Okay. And one more noun is there. Birthday, Akhil. Very good. Birthday is also a noun. And doll is also a noun. And Naitik is also a noun. Okay. Very good. These are the underline the nouns that we have done. Okay, good. Now, next part of that circle, adjective, adjective of quality. What is your adjective? Very good, Saraswati, Ishita. Very good. Sparsh, good. Piyush, correct. Yes. So, pretty is a adjective. That is a describing word. And which word it is describing? That is a doll. Okay. Doll word is a describing word. Understood? Okay. The next sentence. The old man crossed the road. The old man crossed the road. Okay. Now in this sentence, what is noun? What are the nouns? Noun, man. Okay, very good. Man is one of the noun. Akhil gave that answer. Saraswati also gave the answer, man. Okay, one more noun is there. Srishti correct. Ziad correct. Road. Road is another noun. So man and road, these two words you will underline. Okay. These two words you will underline. Because what is the question? Underline all the nouns. That is a question. Okay. That's why man and road. These two are the noun. Very good, students. Okay. These two are the noun. Now, what is a adjective that we have to draw circle? Very good, Saraswati. Very good. Akhil correct. Runmai correct. Nuha correct. Srishti correct. Ishita correct. That is this old. Old, what you will do? You will draw the circle around the old, right? Okay. Okay. Good. So once again, I'll repeat. The old man crossed the road. In this sentence, man and road, you will underline because they are the nouns. And old, you will draw the circle because it is a adjective. Understood? Okay. We'll move to the next question now. What is the next question? The funny clown made us laugh. The funny clown made us laugh. No, before asking questions, some are giving the answer. How I come to know what is that? What is your answer? Which questions it is answer? Okay, my question I'll ask. Now first you will tell me the noun words from this sentence. Very good, Ishita. Saraswati correct. Piyush correct. Noun. Okay. Noun. Noun word. Akhil correct. Arpita correct. Aradhya correct. Kunal correct. Okay. The cloud is a noun. Clown is a noun, right? Very good, students. You understood. Now, my next question is, what is a adjective? Which word is a adjective? Piyush, give me one word. Akhil correct, Kunal correct, Zian correct, Tejas correct, Bhavat correct. Now, adjective. Which is the adjective? Ishita correct, Aradhya correct, Nuha correct, Gagi correct, Srishti no beta. Saraswati correct. Okay, good, good. So funny. Funny is a adjective that you have to circle, right? Funny is a adjective. And what is your noun? Clown is a noun. So that word you will circle. Okay. So which word you will circle? Clown word you will. Sorry, clown word you will underline as it is a noun, and this noun is described by which word? Funny. So that is the adjective, and that word you will circle. Okay, good. Now we'll move to the next question. Chris, clean his dirty room. Chris, clean his dirty room. Now, first of all, you will tell me in this sentence, noun. Which are the noun words? Very good. Ishita correct. Kunal correct. Sparsh correct. Akhil correct. Akhil, what you are writing? Mihir correct. Mrunmay correct. Saraswati correct. Nuha correct. Viraj correct. Viman correct. Danush correct. Abbas, what you are doing, Abbas? Prajwal correct. Subjit, what you are, which question you are doing? Huh? We are doing the last question, 6 number. And you are giving the answer from the first question. No, what question we are doing? Answer for that question only. Don't answer me the previous question. Even in exam also, some students are writing in the second number, third question's answer. So we'll give that 0 marks. Abba, stop that. Now we are doing the sixth question. Chris, clean his dirty room. First, you have to tell me the naming words. Naming words. Chris and room. These both are the naming words. These two words you will underline. Understood? Understood? You may have completed this part. Okay? If you are not done, do now. Chris and room you will underline. And now the turn is to circle the adjective of quality. And what is the adjective of quality? Very good. Very good, Ishita. Mrunmay. Bhavar. Saraswati. Arpita correct. Fatma correct. Akhil correct. That is the adjective. And this adjective you have to circle. Samant, pay attention. Your complaint is there. Pay attention, Samant. Answer my question. Aradhya correct. Nuha correct. Sparsh correct. Okay. So dirty word is a adjective. So you will draw the circle. Right? Okay, very good. Now we'll check our answer. Yes. Here are the answers. Right? First question, I love my blue dress. In this, naming word is a dress and blue is a adjective. Second question, Zenith found a shiny coin. Coin is a noun. So that word is a underline. You can write in the notebook. Okay, no problem. Write in the notebook. Okay, shiny is a adjective. Okay, shiny is a adjective. But in second sentence, one mistake I have done. Tell me what is that mistake? Quickly write that. Second sentence. Find the mistake. Because second sentence, Zenith found coin. What is missing? Answer is incomplete in that sentence. Very good. What is Kunal? Gave me the correct answer. What is that, Kunal? You have to write the answer also. Yes, Fatma correct. Very good, very good, very good. Bhuvnesh correct. Tell others also. But what it is, Ishita? You have to write that also. Sparsh, write what it is. Yes. Come on, write. The mistake you got, but what it is. Yes, Zian. Very good, very good. Okay, so I'll declare the answer. Zenith is a naming word and that word should be underlined. Understood? As it is a noun. Very good. Some students gave me the very correct answer. Okay. That work I have leave on you. Zenith word should be underlined. Understood now? Very good. Very good. We'll move to the next question. Naitik got a pretty doll on his birthday. Okay, today we start with this only. Again here, pretty is an adjective that I have circled and I underlined doll. Okay, now again here, this answer is not completed. Then what is missing in this answer? Write quickly. Yes, very good, Kunal. Fatma, very good. Nice. Fatma and Kunal gave me the correct answer. They are saying Naitik is a naming word, so it should be underlined. Very good. And what else? One more mistake. One more. That's over. About Naitik, it is over. One more is there. Come on, find out fast and tell me quickly. We have to move. Yes, yes. Nuha, one more name I missed. They are saying birthday is also a naming word. Very good. Birthday is also a naming word and that should be underlined. Very good. Very nice. So Naitik and birthday, these two words should be underlined. Okay. So we'll move to the next question now. Right? What is the next question? The old man crossed the road. Okay. So old is an adjective, so that I have draw the circle, and man is a naming word. Okay. What is missing here then tell? What is missing here? Quickly write Nuha. Very good. Nuha say, ma'am, road is a naming word and that should be underlined. Very good. You do in the notebook. Very good. Road word should be underlined. Very nice. Okay. Now the fifth question. The funny clown made us laugh. The funny clown made us laugh. In this, funny is a adjective, right? That's why it is a circle. And clown is a naming word. Clown is a naming word. So what is missing in this? Yashasri, no. What is missing here? Any answer is missing from this sentence? Come on, find out fast. Quickly, quickly. Kunal, no. Saraswati, no. Very good. Abbas gave me the correct answer. No answer is missing. This only answer is there. That is a funny, is adjective, and clown is a naming word. Only one naming word is there in this sentence, and that is the underline. Very good, very good. Okay, next question, Chris. Clean his dirty room. Here, dirty is a adjective, right? That is a circle, and room is a naming word. Noun. So it is a underline. Any answer is missing? Yes, Abbas gave me the correct answer. Yes. What is that? Chris. Very nice. Chris is also a naming word, and that should be underlined. Okay. Very good. Okay, good students. Now we'll move to the next question. Now, what is the next question? What is the next question? 3.3. Draw a star above the describing word in these sentences. What the sentence is given, from that sentence, you have to find out the describing word and you have to draw the star above that describing word. And one answer they have given in the textbook, our book itself. Okay, what is that? The ripe mangoes fell off the tree. The ripe mangoes fell off the tree. Now, what is your describing word? Ripe. So, star is drawn. See, students, when teacher is doing, those who don't have book, they will copy in the notebook. Those who have book, they will do in the workbook. Okay, if you have done, check your answer. If you have not done, do it again. Okay, right. Okay, what is the next question? The fat cat is sitting on the mat. Now, what is here? Very good, very good. Fat. Fat is a describing word. So, about that fat, you have to draw the, what you will draw? Star. Yes, you will draw the star because fat is a describing word. Okay, good. Now the next sentence is what? What is the next sentence? The kind man helped a woman. The kind man helped a woman. What is your describing word? Very good. Abbas said, gave the correct answer. Yes, Abbas, Bhumi also gave the correct answer. Bhunesh gave the correct answer. Kunal gave correct. Ishita gave correct answer. Very good. Okay, the answer is a kind. K-I-N-D, kind. So you have to draw above that word kind. What you will draw? Star. What you will draw? Star. Okay. Now the fourth question. The birds on the trees sing sweet songs. The birds on the trees sing sweet songs. Okay. So here, what is your describing word? Very good, Nuha, Abbas, very good. Piyush, correct. Kunal, correct. Ishita, correct. Ishita, correct. Aradhya, correct. See, those answers are not correct. I'm not calling their names. Manasi, correct. Saraswati, Viraj, correct. Okay, Saraswati, correct. I say they just know your answer goes wrong. Pauni, wrong. Anjali, correct. Okay, Pauni, they are giving me naming word. Akhil, correct. Okay, that is a sweet. Sweet word is a describing word. So above that word, you will draw the star. Now the next one, Rima is walking on the narrow path. Rima is walking on the narrow path. Very good, Abbas. Kunal, very good. Saraswati, correct. Bhunesh, correct. Ishita correct. Okay, good. They have given me the Kavya correct. Yashasri correct. Good answer. That is a narrow. Narrow is a describing word. So you have to draw star above that word. Okay, the next sentence. The old tree looks very strong. The old tree looks very strong. Very good, Abbas. Abbas is ready with the answer. Munish, correct? Correct, Abbas. Okay, correct, correct. Very good. Ishita, Mrunmay, Kunal, Rohan, correct. Okay, very good. It's what is the answer in that sentence? What is the answer in that sentence? Old. Old is a adjective and one more word is there that is a strong. Both are the adjective. Okay, both are the adjective. Old and strong. Very good. So here are the questions and here are the answer. Okay. Okay, see. First, which one is a kind? Any answer is missing from this question? Question number 3. Only one is there or one more is there? Tell me in the third question, one only is there, adjective or any more are there? Come on, if it is there, tell me fast. The kind man help a woman. In that any, only one is there? Saraswati? No. Piyush is correct. What, Ishita, what is the next adjective in this sentence? Tell me the write that word. Viraj, you are correct. Okay, okay. Only one adjective is there. Okay, that is only kind. Woman is a noun. It is not an adjective. So this is first, third answer is correct. Okay, fourth answer. The birds on the trees sing sweet song. So this answer you gave, sweet is the adjective. So I have drawn the star. Now Rima is walking on the narrow path. So only one answer is there. That is a narrow. Okay. In the fourth and fifth, any answer is missing? Any answer is missing in fourth and fifth question? No, Ishita say no. Very good. Very good. No answer is missing. Okay, sixth question. The old tree looks very strong. So old is a adjective. So star is drawn. What about the any answer is missing from this sentence? Yes. Abbas, you are right. Ishita, what is that word then? Type fast. Very good. Very good. It's a strong. Strong is also one more adjective that is missing from this answer. Okay. So what I have to do? Draw the circle above the strong word too. Right? Very good. So this way we'll finish. We have finished this question. Right? So everybody understood? Everybody understood? This question 3.2, 3.3 question. So if this way questions come in the exam, you have to solve like that. Okay. If the question in question it is written draw the star, then draw the star. If it is written draw circle, then draw circle. If it is written draw underline, then underline. That's why read the question carefully and then do the answer. Okay. Don't get confused. Now this topic is clear. Adjective topic is clear. Adjective and noun topic is clear. Yes, Piyush say yes. Again, we'll not do the revision of this topic because we to go very detail in this topic. Okay. Now, same module. One question is there, that is page number 52. On page number 52, paragraph writing. You have already learned. I have already taught this question, but as a revision again we'll do today. Okay. Okay. In that picture is given, one photo is given. And what is the question? Exercise 4 it is. Look at the, now here I have not shown any picture, right? So I'm reading the question from the workbook. Look at the picture given below. Write a short paragraph about this picture by completing the sentences. Okay, so a picture is given. That picture you have to observe, right? You have already learned this. Okay, observe very carefully and write a short paragraph. Okay, paragraph writing I have taught you. Write a short paragraph about this picture by completing the sentence, and very easy. They have given the clue, but in exam it may come, clues may become, points may become or not come. You just have watch the picture, observe the picture and write a paragraph. Okay. So as an example we are doing here again. This is the revision, right? So that picture is about the Christmas because it is written in the point only. Yes? Sorry. Bapre. Just wait a student. Okay. So this picture is about the Christmas, right? So point is given. Christmas comes in dash. Now in the dash place, you have to write your own answer. Come on, write. Christmas comes in dash. Good, I am getting different answers. Very good. Okay. 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 See, I got two types of answer. Some are saying Christmas comes in winter season, and some are writing Christmas comes in December month. Yes, Siddhi, what you want? I missed your message. Christmas comes in the winter season. In the winter season. This is the correct. And some of you type the answer Christmas comes in December. That also will go correct. And one answer I got, Christmas comes in 25th December. But see children, in is given. In is given. If a date they want, then on it should be there in the clue. But in clue, what is given instead of on, in is there. So that your answer should suit with this. Okay, I'll show you. After this explanation, I'll show the answers also. Okay. Christmas comes in winter season. That goes correct. Anyone wants to give the other Answer for this line you can write. See, use your own idea. It should be the winter season is correct. In December also will come correct. But if you are giving the date, then it will go little wrong. Then you have to change in to on. Okay. In the December 25th. No, it will not suit. Any other want to give the different way answer? Okay. So the Christmas comes in the winter season. Very good. Okay. Second line. There is a fire burning in the fireplace. Okay. There is a fire burning in the fireplace as. What you will give the answer? As it is very cold. Very good. As there is a snow, that also will go correct. As there is a snowfall, that will also go correct. Come on, right? Your answer can go different. As it is very cold. Okay. Good. That also correct. Any other? Use your own idea. You can give your own idea. Not necessary same answer you will write. One only answer is getting it. As it is very cold. One. As there is a snowfall. Correct. As there is a snowfall. That will also go correct. No rain in rainy season. It is not necessary. There is a cold. Okay. Okay. So two answer can go correct. As it is very cold or as there is a snowfall. Okay. Both the answer will go correct. Now the next part, the family dash. How does the family look? The family dash. Very good, Noha. Arno correct. Aro correct. See the family. Okay, okay. That also will go correct. Okay, okay. Okay. The family is happy to be together. Or the family looks happy. That will also go correct. Okay. Looks happy. That will also go correct. The family is happy to be together. That will also go correct. Yashasri, wrong what you are written. That is wrong, beta. Look at the picture. By looking the picture, you feel that or what? No. See the faces of the family. Okay. Okay. Enjoying the festival. That will also go correct. The family is enjoying the festival together, Kunal. Yes. This answer also will go correct. Okay. Okay. We'll move to the next point now. They have decorated. They have decorated dash. Now what they have decorated? Their windows. Very good. Their windows. With a dash. With a dash. With a dash. Come on. Lights. Very good. Very good. There is a Christmas tree with a dash. Very good. Bells and stars. Very nice. There are dash. There are dash. There are dash. There are dash. Okay, see your answer. As time is getting over, so I display my answer. Okay, you can take the screenshot, no problem. So there are many presents. Okay, there are many presents on the floor. On the floor. On the words are missing from here. On the floor. The family is dash, laughing and talking. Okay, they are giving gifts to each other and celebrating Christmas. Here some spelling mistakes are there. Celebrating Christmas. Okay. Ending, celebrating Christmas, or you can write your own also. Okay. This way we'll finish today's session. Time is getting over. Okay. Already notes posted on in the group. So from that you can copy the answer. Okay. Okay, students, homework, you have to learn this topic very nicely, right? This is the homework. Bye. Have a good day.